Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out FydeOS 21, the latest update to one of the best ChromeOS alternatives out there. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice after installing FydeOS 21 is that it feels faster and cleaner. It's now based on Chromium OS R138, which brings better security patches and web compatibility. Everything from loading web pages to switching between apps feels more responsive. The launcher has been redesigned and is way smarter now. You can search not only for apps, but also files and settings directly from the same bar. It gives a smoother workflow, almost like what you'd expect on macOS or Windows 11. There's also a new quick insert feature. You just hit the Windows or Command key with F, and a panel pops up for emojis, symbols, and even special characters. It's small, but really handy for note-taking or messaging. Another big upgrade is a screenshot tool. You can take a capture and instantly copy the text from it or search the content right away. That kind of built-in OCR and AI support really boosts productivity. For power users or small businesses, FydeOS 21 now includes support for kiosk mode and isolated web apps. This means you can lock the system down for a single-purpose setup or build a controlled work environment without extra software. Accessibility got some love too. There are new features like mouse keys, slow keys, and bounce keys, all designed to make the system easier to use for people with special input needs. Now, it's not all perfect. Some users are still reporting hardware issues after upgrading. Certain Surface Go 3 models, for example, have trouble booting. And if you're on a niche laptop, you might still face touchpad or driver glitches. Android apps run better than before, but there are still a few rough edges. Things like missing hibernation support or login bugs after reboot. Nothing major, but worth keeping in mind. Overall, though, FydeOS 21 is one of the most stable and flexible versions yet. It's perfect for people who love the ChromeOS experience but want more freedom, more customization, and no Google lock-in. If you're repurposing an old laptop, this operating system breathes new life into it. It boots fast, looks modern, and gives you both Android and Linux support in one package. If you want everything to work perfectly right out of the box, ChromeOS Flex or Windows might still be a safer bet. But if you like experimenting, FydeOS 21 is a powerful option. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what device you're testing FydeOS 21 on. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.